Phone assembly out of the box. You're gonna get 2 boxes in the mail. One side is to secure the phone. This is your stand. You want to open up your stand, secure the bottom piece to the top just by screwing it in. Such. Open up the legs, extend out from the bottom for your stand. Top piece opens up, turn the phone on. Go to your videos. The top piece extends up and down. Be sure not to turn the phone off with the clamp. Secure safely in. Hit record. Record your intro. Okay, once your video phone is installed and set up on the tripod we sent you, you're going to have informational scripts that we send you that you fill in the blanks. And then we would ask you to increase the font to 25 type so you can see it. At that point, you're going to have your assistant place the script in front of the phone so you can read the words. Now, once your video phone is attached to the mount, you want to hold the bottom of the pod, slowly rotate the camera so you get a panoramic view of the office in the practice to display as many of the features as you see fit. Make sure to stand 3 to 5 feet away. Okay, at this point, we will send you instructions of how to send the actual video, whether you have an iPhone, Android, or a Samsung. If you have any further problems at that point, reach out to your rep.